Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the gold price has moved in the month of December and how the gold price can move in the month of January 2022. Before that, Happy New Year everyone. And now if we look at the chart, the gold price is currently moving at 1800.96. Okay, so if we look at the chart going through this particular price, we can see it is an uptrend. Okay, after making a support coming at around 1685, we can see that it is in continuous uptrend. Okay, if we look at the chart, we can see a pattern is forming, and I've already told you that the pattern is forming in this particular zone, a narrow pattern we can say, because it is, if you look at the chart from March of 2021, we can see that this pattern is trying to break out at this particular zone or this particular zone, and I've already shared in my Telegram channel the long and short term view. Okay, before that, if you have any doubt regarding gold, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I've given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in gold is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I've given in the description, you can join. See, now look at the chart. If you look at the chart, what you can see that it is moving in an uptrend. Okay, if from the month of mid of December, it made a low of around 1752.99, and from there it is continuously an uptrend. Suppose if the price sustain above this level, so what we can see, it can go and touch a level of 1806. Okay, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 1811.99. Suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1816.35. Okay, and once if it touch this level, then we can see, because it can go and touch a level of 1822.22. Suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 1829.41. Suppose the price touch this level of 1829.41, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 1834. Okay, once if it goes above a level of 1829, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1834.73, and these levels are already tested here, so chances will be very high. We can see a level of 1841.50, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1843. Okay, and from there we can see it can go further high to a level of 1845.37. okay, once this range is break upside, and I have already told you that if the price goes above a level of 1845.37, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 1855.04, and from there we can see it can go further high to a level of 1857.7, and from there we can see a level of 1864, and from there we can see it can go further high to a level of 1870.52. okay, suppose if the price sustain over this level, then we can see a level of 1874.39 also, and from there we can see it can go further high to a level of 1891. okay, and it can go further high to a level of 1900. Remember the one thing, that if the price goes above a level of 1845, then we can see it can move 10 to 15 or $20 upside, and then we can see it can go then whenever, suppose if you are a trader, then always trail your stop loss. That is very important. Or if you are investing for a longer term, I would suggest that any dip is a buying opportunity. Okay, but these are all my personal view which I am sharing. So now look at the chart. It's an uptrend. If once it goes above a level of 1845, okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then probability of touching 1798.86. okay, and once if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1790.71. okay, and from there if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1784 also. okay, because once this range is break downside, then we can see it will come in this particular zone. okay, so once if it comes below a level of 1792, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1784, and from there we can see it can go further fall to a level of 1769 also, which is it's a low in this particular zone. So if it comes below a level of 1773, it will come to a level of 1769.98, and from there we can see it can go fall further to a level of 1766.28. Suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see a level of 1758 also, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 1752 also. okay, or from there we can see it can go fall further to a level of 1746. Okay, one more thing important that I have to tell you, that if you are trading with $10,000 of capital, please trade with 10 to 15% of capital. Because, if you are trading with $1,000, then your risk will be 0.5, that is around $50 to $100, so that if you can trade properly on the next particular day, so that your stress of losing money will not be there, and trade properly. Okay, so now if we look at a longer view, I have already told you that there is a probability that if it sustains above 1829, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 1835, and from there we can see a level of 1845. Okay, and once 1840, okay, but if the price goes below a level of 1800, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1790 also, and from there we can see it can go to a level of 1775, and from there we can see a level of 1760 also. Okay, and it can go further low. You can check my previous video also, where I have told you that if the price goes below 70-60, where it can touch. So any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.